Now I'm going to add my jelly on top of it and leave it to set for at least half an hour. So we are going to make this white chocolate mousse. So milk, cream, agar-agar. I'm going to heat milk, cream and agar-agar in microwave until it is completely dissolved. So I'm going to bring it to boil so that my agar-agar is completely dissolved. Then I'm going to add it in my chocolate and melt my chocolate. So my mousse is going to be ready once I add this liquid to the chocolate and dissolve the chocolate. So the mousse is ready. Now we are going to assemble the dessert. So this is mango dessert we are going to make. I have greased and dusted the sides. Now I'm going to add the piece of cake at the bottom. Apply a layer of cream evenly. Now I'm going to add a layer of white chocolate mousse inside. I'm going to leave it in the fridge to set for 15 minutes. So you can see it's completely set after 15 minutes. Now I'm going to make my mango jelly. Take water in a bowl. Add agar-agar inside, add sugar. So after soaking the agar-agar, microwave it until it is completely boiled. Then you're going to add mango pulp inside. Now we are going to add the mango pulp. I'm going to use a beaker to pour it inside the dessert so that it will be easy. Now we are going to add few pieces of mango and boba pearls inside. This is added. Now I'm going to add my jelly on top of it and leave it to set for at least half an hour.